Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment, your number one channel for entertainment news and celebrity gossip happening around. For first time viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notifications when a story drops. Happening on the Ultimate Love Show, this is a recap of day 23 in the love pad. Ebite's tummy walk for Obichukwu in progress. Ebite's tummy walk to suit Obichukwu is in progress. She is not joking with ensuring that her body shape is what a man will always want to take a second look at. This morning, she showed up wearing a waist trainer. She is not leaving anything to chase in making sure that her body is sweet enough for her choco. Women, come and learn from AB. She is daily taking active steps to add necessary ingredients to her relationship. Some women will sit down and say, any man that cannot like me the way I am should leave me and go. My old man will come for me. See, even your brother will not like you like that. We all have what we are looking for. Little here and little there. We will get to the promised land. OBAB on point. Still on the Ultimate Love recap show, Jerry turns glutton on Ultimate Love. Jerry has been described as a glutton in the love part. Talking about this is actually serious and highly interesting. The guy, compared to some other guys on Ultimate Love, might not have a space among glutton. While I was still pondering on this, Meriton brought breakfast, which was yam and plantain. Guess what? My guy said, first, I hope this yam is soft. Yeah, it's soft. If you see the way he was dealing with the food, you will not blame him. However, call him a glutton. Still on the Ultimate Love recap of day 23, Obichukwu tackles Jay over pastoral title. Obichukwu tackled Jay over the appellation pastor that he gave him over time. Jay seems to have gotten used to calling him pastor, and this time it didn't go well with him. Obi showed his displeasure bluntly. Stop calling me pastor because you know my name. This is my lifestyle. You should not call me a pastor because of the way I live my life. Guy, if you ask me, I will say that is good for you. They call people who are well behaved that's pastor, so be proud of yourself. Obichukwu and Jay almost had a fight today. Still on the Ultimate Love recap show, Ville caught on bed with Chris. Ville and Chris' relationship have been under the telescope of many viewers of Ultimate Love reality TV show. Considering this, something interesting might just have happened this morning. The couple was on bed this morning, which is one of the closest they might have been since becoming a team. Before we go jubilating, let's ask if that bed thing for the tax or intimacy. Is Ville just clinging to Chris to stay on the show? Please don't leave us confused. Still on the Ultimate Love highlights show, Rosie in relocation trouble with Kachi. Rosie is obviously having a relocation trouble with Kachi. She was again telling Bolanle about it today. Kachi and Rosie both reside in ABJ, which might be a good thing for them when they leave the show. However, Rosie might be having a different plan that seems to be threatening their love. The couple had a talk on Sunday night when Rosie told her man that she will be going to Lagos for a course which will take over a year to complete. Bolanle in a response told Rosie that Kachi might be afraid of having a wide distance between them after the show. The lady in the center of this definitely has a different opinion about that. She said, if there is trust, that should not be a problem. Roxy, this is not what you can joke with. You guys should be matured about this. It might be the first serious decision you'll be taking together. Don't let this cause trouble. Rosie, calm down. No. Still on the Ultimate Love pad, Obiabi and Bola swap portmanteau. Obiabi and Bola are the couples who ended up swapping the portmanteau given to them by Auntie last week in a mini game played this afternoon. This is a bad black market game because no one knows what is in the box, who has gained or who has lost something. we should rejoice and who should be crying? Remember, it was from this kind of portmanteau that Michael and Cherry won 350,000 naira on Sunday. Let me hide my own portmanteau. I'm not swapping with anybody. Still on the Ultimate Love Recap show, Ike Arnold may blow in Nollywood after Ultimate Love. Ike and Arnold may just blow in Nollywood after leaving Ultimate Love with the way they are critically working on their next presentation. The guys are working hand in hand on the traditional coronation rite of the Oba of Benin to be presented as a dance drama tomorrow. While Arnold is the drama director, Ike is working as the master voice in the dance drama. Though Ike has been involved in voice-over job, Arnold is a writer, actor and producer. They might just be on their ways to the promised land after this show. Remember, Takachi was the producer of the last week Enugu State traditional marriage, which many said went well. Then we can say Kachi might be joining the league of persons to be expected in Nollywood soon. So guys, still on the Ultimate Love Recap show, Chris opens up on selling garri in the market. Chris has opened up to Nkechi on how she once sold garri in the market when poverty pounced on her family. She said this while she was talking about her father's ordeal in the hands of poverty. While they were making breakfast, she told Nkechi about how one's beautified life can change unexpectedly. I used to tell people that I have suffered before. I remember how the beautiful things we used to eat started disappearing on the dining table. One day, my father said he was taking his 4 cars to the car wash and returned with just one. She also told Nkechi that the driver started disappearing as well. Her gist partner could not hold it again but said, just pray that life does not happen to you. When that happens to you, you will stand by you. Who will stand by you, sir? Babes, that is life. Life is funny. Help us tell those who are up there to wait for us because we are coming. Nobody can do shakara for anyone. Anything can happen tomorrow. Still on the discussion Chris had with Nkechi. After 23 days, Nkechi certifies Chris' foreign accent. After 23 days, Nkechi certifies Chris' foreign accent. After 23 days of staying together, Nkechi has finally certified Chris' foreign accent. Many people, including me, have wondered where this Abia State girl who also resides in Aba got her foreign accent from. So today, Nkechi told her, when I first met you, I used to think you're forming your accent. Obviously, with that statement, she now knows she's not forming it and that it is real. However, this does not still tell us where she got her Polish accent from. Chris, please tell us. So lastly, on the Ultimate Love Recap show, day 23, we'll be discussing about 5 signs of matureship in the Ultimate Love part. It is becoming increasingly heartwarming to witness our love girls grow alongside each other and into their relationship and have many comfortable G's. And there are obvious signs to look out for when this happens. Honesty above all else. This is the foundation upon which everything else is built, and it goes both ways. Each party in the relationship can be comfortable to be their authentic selves and not lie about anything. We see many of our love girls are now feeling at ease with each other and showing who they really are. Secondly, respect each other. It is natural for everyone to have a different point of view. The key is to understand the other point of view, even if you may not agree. Who knows, you may learn something valuable. The third one is let's go of expectation. While we all have a version of what we like in a relationship, the truth is no one is perfect. Thinking about what you had wanted and comparing it to reality, but letting it go is a sure sign you are on the right path. Naturally, there are expectations though. Next is learn together. You've both made mistakes, but you're ready to rise above it. Become better people and move forward together. It is also a good sign when you can both admit you have made mistake. And lastly, split the work. It is a tremendous sign of respect of the other person's time if chores such as cleaning, buying groceries, and paying the bills is shared fairly, just the way the guys in the love part made breakfast for the ladies earlier this week. So guys, this is the end of the ultimate recap of day 23. I hope you enjoyed your time here. Please, if you're a new viewer, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit on the bell button to get new notification. Stay tuned to this channel for updates on ultimate love. Stay blessed until next time.